rapping and fell. Don't nothing but this cash, man, this pussy top. Don't nothing but a bad man, this pussy top.
Hello ladies and gents, I am Jayla Renee. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating Carisha's makeup look for their video MP Talk. Now the best part of this video is it is a collab with my sis Tayler, aka Dollietherebel. Make sure you guys are following her on Instagram, and of course head over to her channel and subscribe and like her video, comment on her video. I know she created Jay's tea look, so make sure you guys support her, and let's get started. So while I'm prepping my eyes, you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and comment below what you think. So I'm starting off with Jackie Aina's palette, and I'm taking ginger and I'm just working that right into my eye bone. I thought Jackie's palette was the best for this look. Carisha kept it really simple. Well, I guess her makeup artist kept it really simple. So Jackie Aina's palette was perfect for this, honestly. So again, I'm taking ginger and I'm just working that directly on my eye bone, and then I'm also going to go in with edges and also buff that in just to define it a little bit more. So now I'm taking my concealer and I'm getting ready to prep it for my cut crease. Guys, I don't know why, like for some reason today, like I don't know, I couldn't get my cut crease as sharp as I wanted it, and it might be because of what I had to go through to mimic this silver grayish eye shadow that Carisha used. But yeah, I'm just prepping my eye, and I just wanted to include this so you guys can kind of see what I do. Of course, I use like the eye trick of fluffing up so you can know where your line is. So starting off, I took my Pure Times Barbie palette, and I'm using the lightest shade in this palette just for a base. Guys, when I tell you I struggled trying to mimic this shadow, and it's funny because what I end up using was a random Revolution palette, Makeup Revolution palette, and it's called Brave Spirit, and it had this gray shadow in it. If you have this palette, like I said, I think I got this palette free because I spent so much money one day, but it's the number 5 shadow in Brave Spirit, again by Makeup Revolution, and this ended up being perfect for me. I know it is not exact, and I really wasn't going for exact. I just wanted to be definitely inspired, but yes, that's what we're working with. I then took a Precise brush and I'm going to just define my outer crease with Big Wig, because I noticed that her makeup artist did define that edge of her eye. And then of course, one big portion of this look is the wing liner. So guys, I definitely made sure I took my time with doing this, and yes, I did decide to extend it. I guess I like it extended, but I think I would have probably liked it a little better with me leaving that out. But it still turned out cute. But yeah, next time if I do recreate this look again, I'm not going to extend it out. I'm talking about in the inside corner, like the inside corner of my eye, like what I'm doing now. I'm not going to do that the next time. But, you know, it was fun to just add a small twist to the look. If you're wondering why in the world I have a Haitian bandana on. Like, girl, my boyfriend made me put it on. He was like, yeah, I need them to know whose it is. And I'm like, ugh, rose eyes. But anyway, I'm taking some black shadow. I believe I'm using BK out of Amrezy's palette, and I'm just going to define my waterline. If you look at Carisha's eye, like I said, the liner is a big part of it, and she has some thick liner. It's either liner or shadow on her waterline. So I'm making sure that I mimic that the best that I can. And then for her lashes, like, I literally went to the beauty supply store and picked up a whole bunch of lashes. And I end up using the Fallon. I'm going to show you guys the style and number of these lashes, but I end up using these ones. I wish I used a different pair because I had a few. I probably could have been trying on lashes all day for this look, but Carisha's lashes were very, very wispy and long, but these still worked. I still like the way these looked with this eye. So let's get this face done. So of course, I'm going in with the Morphe translucent powder in the color Rich. Y'all already know this is my favorite, and you guys already know that I'm a girl that applies translucent powder before I apply my foundation. So I'm just going in with that and putting that on evenly on my face. Spraying my beauty blender to get it damp, and I'm going in with Maybelline's Super Stay foundation in the color 340 Cappuccino. When I tell you guys, this Morphe powder and this foundation is so bomb together. For the last 3 weeks, this is what I've been wearing on my face. So if you follow me on Instagram and you see my pictures, this is what I have been using. I'm obsessed with this combo. Next, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I will have what color I'm using linked down below. Guys, I don't know like how I feel about Fenty Beauty's concealers. Like, to me, they smell like paint. Like, it has a really, really strong scent to me. And I think I need a lighter color as well. So I'm definitely going to pick up a lighter shade. But I don't know how to feel about them. I just don't know. I'm also going to put my e.l.f. concealer in the color Tan Walnut right on top of it, just to brighten it up. And then, of course, I'm going to let it dry for a bit, and then I'm going to blend it all in. Guys, I tried to do like that trick when everybody blows their translucent powder. Mine was a fail, period. Like, it was a big fail. I was doing that for the Instagram promo video, but yeah, it didn't work out too good for me. But I just kept it in there because I thought it was funny. By the way, the translucent powder I use is by Black Radiance, and it is in the shade Honeymoon. I really, really love it. So I don't keep it on that long, so I dusted it right off. And now I'm going in with bronzer. So I took the bronzer by Makeup Revolution. I will have the exact name of it down in the description box. I really, really love it, especially for bolder looks such as this one. Definitely want to add some color back in my face. And then I went ahead and blended everything all together with some face powder. Now I'm taking my Fenty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty, and I'm just going to contour my nose and blend that in. You definitely need to go ahead and do the whole 9 with a look like this. I'm going to spray my face with some spray mist, and then I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place highlighter. I think it's in the color Nubia, but again, I'll have it listed down below for you guys. Carisha did have some nice blush on her face, so I'm just buffing this blush in. I honestly don't even know what I use. More than likely an eyeshadow, because guys, I am like terrible with buying blush. I'm so bad. So I'm just lining my lips with this brown liner, and I'm taking Ulta's Baby Pink Gloss. Honestly, Tayler has this bomb clear gloss that would have worked so good with this look. I should have ordered it. Falls on the head. But I'm definitely still going to order it. Tayler does have some bomb products on her website, so I'm going to link that below as well. But here is the final look, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching with me. Make sure you subscribe.